In this Tegrity video and PowerPoint presentation, we're going to discuss basic descriptive statistics. We're going to calculate the mean, or also called the average, the median, the mode, the range, the standard deviation, and we're going to use the data analysis tool pack to see a display of other descriptive statistics as well. Let's calculate the average or the mean. Set your cursor where you want the output to be. Go up to the FX, select it, choose average. Make sure your range is correct. B2 to B21 is correct. Click OK. The median is that number that's right in the middle of the data set. So if we were to line up all these scores and sort them from highest to lowest, let's do that. Go up to the Data tab, go to Sort, choose Continue with just a current selection, because that's the only ones we want to really sort, and then click Sort. Then go from largest to smallest. It's already set there. The column says Scores. All of our scores are highlighted. Click OK. And now we're sorted from highest to lowest. So in the middle, if we have a data set of 20, right in the middle we have an 8. So the median should be 8. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So choosing the median, clicking OK. Check the range. Now see, the range is incorrect. We want to make sure it just goes to B21. Then click OK. Yes, indeed, the median is 8. The mode. What this means is the score that occurs the most, the score with the highest frequency. We can look here, we have some 6s, we have some 8s, we have some 10s. Wonder which one has the most. We'll go to the mode to find out. Choosing mode, clicking OK, check the range, it's just B21, and click OK. And it seems as if the mode is 8 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We are bimodal, but the software does not come up with more than one mode. So scan your data, sort it, and count those scores that have high frequencies, because you could be bimodal. Now, let's check the range. The range is the highest score minus the lowest score. 10 minus 4 is 6. The standard deviation. The standard deviation determines the shape of the curve. Notice the normal curve here. A small standard deviation has a tall, skinny curve, leptokurtic. A large standard deviation has a flat curve, platykurtic. To calculate the standard deviation, set your cursor where would you like the output. Go up to the function key, select Descriptive. Make sure your range is okay. Remember, we just want to go to 21. And click OK. Our standard deviation is 1.85. Now, there's something else on this normal curve I want to point out to you. These numbers at the legend on the x-axis, 0, 0.5 all the way up to 3, and -3 on the other end, these are standard deviation units. They are also z-scores. Z-scores and standard deviation units are the same. In this curve, the blue underneath represents 95% of all the scores under that curve. The 5% is our confidence level. Confidence level means that we're saying that if we do a certain calculation based on a 0.95 alpha level, or confidence level, means the same thing. We are saying that we could be wrong 5% of the time because of that calculation. Because, hey, nothing's perfect, and you have to admit that you could be wrong, and to what degree and what amount you're going to be wrong. Now, this 1.96 that's noted here with the arrow right here, this is the 1.96 standard deviation, or the 1.96 z-score. Same thing. It represents 0.95. It's used in many calculations to show the probability that you're admitting that you could be wrong. If indeed you did this 100 times, 5 out of those 100, you could be incorrect. Okay, let's go to the data pack data analysis, and let's display our descriptive statistics. Go to data analysis, go to descriptive statistics, click OK. The output range is B2 to B21. That's correct. I'm clicking this output range box right here, and I'm going to set it at E1 because that's where I want it to come out. I've clicked summary statistics and also confidence level for mean. Here it is. The confidence level is set at 0.95 or 95%. Click OK, and the scores come out, and the display comes out. Here's the mean, and here's our standard deviation, there's our median, there's our mode, and here's the confidence level. So, what this means is that a 0.86 confidence level, if you add this number to the mean, so add 0.86 to 7.45, that's the top end of the confidence level. Subtract 0.86 from 7.45, that's the lower end of the confidence level. So what you're saying there is, out of your data, you're saying that the whole population, the real true mean would be in that range, plus 0.86 onto the mean, minus 0.86 onto the mean. There's more of this on page 219 in the Salkin book, and of course, Dr. Sharon and I are always available to give you a hand. That's it for basic descriptive